Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to install a new keypad on this microwave. Stick around, watch this video and I'll show you what's the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so we have this inverter Panasonic microwave, and the problem with these microwave now, most of the time is either the circuit board is the problem, the keypad and circuit board, or the circuit board on this side. Normally it does have a transformer on the microwave, but they replace the transformer and they put a circuit board. Right, so the circuit board in this good. Right, the power supply circuit board good, magnetron good, but the keypad you're not getting able to press the knobs for the start. It's not working, right? So I'll plug it on and show you. Right, so it's on. And make sure I put something inside for testing. Never run your microwave empty, it will damage your microwave. Right, 12 seconds, start. Right, so the start knob is not working, the stop knob working but not the start. Right, so all the keys working. Seven getting trouble. Alright, so and then there's a sign, like a triangle, right? It's a symbol right there showing you that something wrong. I don't know what symbol is for. Now sometimes in the keypad it have an error code. Well, this one it don't have an error code. This one is just the knobs not working. Right, so the start knob not working, the stop knob working. Alright, so now this one is the replacement. As you can see, it had the same knobs, same numbers and same size, plus it had the same connections. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connections. So whenever you changing this, right, you make sure you get the same model, same size and shape with the same connections. Right, so I will unplug this. Now there's 2 screws that hold the keypad and circuit board. Alright, so all you have to do before you remove the 2 screws, you disconnect all the wires. Right, so you move the two screws that hold the circuit board and keep pad together. The face, the control pad. Yep, so this is the control pad. My mistake. Okay, so my mistake. Keypad, circuit board, control pad. Right, so this is the old one. And this is the good one. Alright, so it on. Now you gotta make sure when you install this, you make sure you reconnect back all the wires the same way you take it out. Alright, so I will start with this one. Now let me see now. Alright, this one going up here. This one going this one quite down here. Right. Everything hook up correct in the right order. You make sure install back the two screws. All right, so all right, now it's time for testing. All right, so it's on. Right, make sure you have water inside. So all the knobs working. Alright, so I'll run it for 12 seconds and it's working. Right, the water is warm. I will run it again for 12 seconds. Okay, so it's hot. Right, so there you have it. By your circuit board, your control panel, whenever your control panel get in trouble, most of the time you have to change this. Whenever you get in trouble, you have to change this. This is the problem. Sometimes it'll be the keypad is the problem. Sometimes it'll be the circuit board. So whenever you change this, you change both of them one time. You change the whole control panel, because sometimes it makes sense to change the keypad, and the keypad is not the problem. Or you change the circuit board, and the circuit board is not the problem. So to solve this, you change the whole control panel. Alright? As always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Pixie 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.